Hello! I plan on just practicing some Unity right now. Hold on. I want to touch up on my Unity skills. I haven't played Unity in quite a while. Well, played with Unity to be more precise. New... How about we go to install... Oh. Learn... Open project. So, what this is it is a Unity, like, Lego game, which I personally think is absolutely awesome. Well, I feel like this is very loud. I just turned it to its lowest setting. Ah! I'm actually tempted to stream some Undertale later today. If I have time. But for right now, I want to try streaming some of me programming and editing and playing around with Unity. I will first show off what this is, what it does, and what we as people can do with it. And then, you know what? I should probably try streaming in a higher quality. Because since I'm not doing anything, well, game editing is kind of high. We're fine. We won't need it. If I feel like we need to be able to see what I'm typing, or I feel like I get to the point where I'm like, I must talk about decode, I will. I will probably restart the stream and just turn up the quality. But this will also give me a chance to mention the Discord. Me and my friend have made a Discord. There's not much in it yet. But, and I'm not fully throwing it out there yet. Just saying that...
Why are you moving it out?
Ahem! Just saying that until it's fully set up, I won't be actually putting the link in. But we're getting close to the point where I'm actually going to be putting the link out. Thankfully, my friend over here, Camellia, has definitely helped a whole bunch with making this work. She actually has done 90% of the brunt work, so thank you. Yeah. Other than that, I don't know what else to say. Oh, we're just gonna wait a minute as our Unity loads. I messed with it a little bit, and I'll probably do a quick little example of some stuff you can do. And I haven't actually done the tutorial for this. It's a 30-minute tutorial. But usually the tutorials are like, hey, this is how you move stuff, this is how you copy and paste stuff. This is how you edit the prefab. And it doesn't really tell you about what stuff does or where it is, more how to do certain things. So I feel like I'm not gonna need it. And so, I'm not gonna use it. We're gonna be fumbling around a little bit. And let's have some fun editing this Lego. Oh, hold on. Oh, never mind. I guess we're in. Oh, we're loading the scene. Started with 30. This microgame is forever is loved building Lego bricks. In this project, you will find preloaded seed, scripts, audio, tutorials, and more to help you inspire you create. Text writer help your player access the next level. New to Unity, quick start at the creation journey to step-by-step tutorial. So, what I want to do first off is ready to create, set this playground. So, oh no, this is not where I want to be. Shoot. This is like the zone where I know how to get out of it. Shoot.
I see that.
Shoot, shoot, shoot. Me, I don't need the tutorial. I am big brain. Then also me, literally right now. Oh no! Alright. So, right here is the... And I'll just start it up like this. Is a quick little game that they have created. Or you create. This is like me moving my mouse. And it acts as like this. But normal, regular games don't actually... Or, How loud is that to you all? Okay. Hold on. No. Hey, Unity, just calm yourself down a little bit, okay? Okay, maybe just a little bit more. You see, for instance, me going through and changing all this. This isn't the proper way, but I'm just using it as an example real fast. I also don't have everything set up, but as you can see, for instance, in this one, this wall over here is not built. Like, I can jump for this, but I'm not going to be able to make it across the gap. So I fall, I die, and then you lost. Try again. Oh, okay, sure. Let's try again. And then it starts back over here. Everything's reset. Sweet, cool, awesome. I'm gonna quickly fall off, see what the menu does. If we look at the menu, it's name your game. Then you can click either play or controls, and you can look at your controls. Like, okay, pause, options. Okay, look around, movement, jump. Alright, play. And then we can, like, increase our look sensitivity or decrease it if we need. We can add frame rate counters. Ooh. We can actually add and retract the shadows. But I believe there's meant to be something I can do with that over there. I'm not sure yet. But now that I've shown off what this is, now as we all know, Lego games have this fun little feature of, hold on, let me just, so like I'm gonna quickly pull up the thing. So like Lego games, Lego Star Wars, full play through. Alright, so, let's look at this real fast, okay? Lego games. You don't control the camera, like, at all, like, very, very little. The camera moves around depending on what you do. It's I like to call it a railed camera, but it's not. I'm not sure exactly what to call it. But, like, it's a camera on rails. It follows you wherever you go. So, I want to do that. I really dislike this camera moves as you move kind of thing. I messed with this a tiny, tiny amount beforehand. And F. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. So what I need to do is, hold on. Alright, so this is showing me what my camera sees. Now, let's look at the cinematic, Cinemachine free look. Status. What are you? Oh god, it opens up. Okay, the Cinema Free Move camera component provides a third-person camera experience. This Cinemachine virtual camera orbits around a subject along the positions. Okay. So what I would need to do... So what I personally, again, want is... Go back... This brings me into the prefab. Can I... So, how does... So, let's see what happens. So, maximize on play. I just want to see. I just want to see. Okay, I just want to see. What's it gonna do? I want to see how it acts with what I do in the game. Interesting. What is that? It wants to be always within the square? I don't know what the square is. Okay, and is that it's like a little orbit? Yeah. Oh, it's kind of like one of those things, those gravity things. Like one of those machines that like circles on an axis, and got it. So that's always the top, that's always the bottom. That's actually very clever. That's the horizon. I don't know what. What happens if I jump off? Okay, so when I jump, it goes up. That's... What happens if I fall? Okay, so... Oh, maybe that's the hitbox. Got it. What I want to know is... How can I move this? How can I... Why can I not move it, first off? That's because of this. I can't move this because of that. So what if I select each of them and then... Nope. Okay. So then what if I... So now we moved this. Okay, so it grabs everything. Surprisingly. Why is it called astronaut? Are we an astronaut? Well, it's because we're an astronaut. Why are we an astronaut? Are we on Mars? Microgame. Customize your game even more with Unity's online creative mods. Build and publish your project as a shareable web game. Interesting. So, what I want to try doing is changing the camera. So just first thing I want to do, change the camera to be a side-scroller. The reason why is because if I can do that, me and my friend always play Lego games together. Well, that's one of the things we do. We absolutely love them. So much fun. But, the problem is, kind of lost one of them. Thanks to Origin being Origin and removing games from its subscription service stuff. I know, smite me. But... Sorry, I heard screaming in the background and I was curious. I was like, what is that? I don't know. I need to find out. But I don't need to find out. Now then, back to the thing. I want to make my camera actually do it, but why is... So now, because I don't know what I'm messing with, and I don't know what any of this is, we're just gonna remove stuff, you know? We're just gonna goodbye. It's gone. It's no longer meaningful controller. It doesn't sound very meaningful to me. Also, why does our camera look like this now? Oh, it's... Okay. Interesting. Don't know why. But interesting. We're fine. Okay. Meaningful controller is pretty meaningful, I guess. So that's what meaningful. Auto animator. Okay, it's just what we thought animator did. Character controller. Okay, that provides movement just like I would expect. Meaningful. Audio script makes sense. Meaningful face animation. I'm assuming that's if I win. Because I'm pretty sure when I won, I made a special face. Meaningful collider. Oh, wait. No! You cannot play an audio. Alright, hold on. We're gonna try this again. So... Oh, God. I broke it. I broke it. Can I... Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, you know, sometimes we break things. That's okay. That's how come we did it well in the game. That way, even though we did break it, we were prepared because we broke it on purpose. Now I go to... Where's my main man? Bam. And then... Why won't you move? How did we break you so badly? What did we do? What did we do, chat? Not... Player... We shouldn't have... Nothing should have broken to the point where... Did they make this with duct tape and glue? Alright, this is causing concerns. Let's just pretend it doesn't exist. See what happens. See what happens. Doesn't exist. Not a concern anymore. Not even a concern. Not even a concern. So let's see what happens. Still doesn't want to move. Why don't you want to move? Oh. You see? We disabled the footsteps. Oh, it's in a step audio clip. No wonder I was like, well, why did we disable the step audio clip? I figured out why we disabled the step audio clip. Oh. Camera brain. Dear God. I apologize for the background sounds. Okay, camera brain. Why do you do what you do? Why are you a poop head? Why can't I move you? So what if I just... Nope. Okay. Let's just... Okay, there we go. Figured it out. We're one step all the way there. Event. No events listed. Update method. A camera. What are you? What are you? When enabled, the camera's frustum will be shown at all times in the screen viewer. I'm assuming that's what the frustum is, that like little thing at the bottom right. So you allow us not to move. Okay, now what happens if we disable the camera brain and then press play? I'm assuming nothing. Okay. Now can we still die without the camera brain? Yes. Yes, we can. Okay. I love how I'm just acting like a complete dumbass. Just, how intelligent of me. I'm just going to... On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Let's just see what everything does. I'm going to move this over. I wanted to see if anyone said anything on Discord yet. So wait, didn't I? Oh yeah, that's right. So, camera brain. Enable you. Now, third person camera. Now, I think... So... I think this is our problem right now. What if we just... I don't know, just saying. Just saying. Just goodbye. Goodbye. Just saying. Oh, okay. I guess that makes sense. Now, the question is, do you jump to my position? Okay. You have a script telling you to... What are you? Are you the center of the body? And if so, why have I not noticed you before? And what are you? If... That's why I never noticed you before. Okay. Now, what do you do? Enable the display of an overlay in the game window. You can adjust... Okay. But why, though? What is that for? Is that for, like, a HUD? If checked, virtual camera settings changed made during play mode will be propagated back. Oh. Okay. Oh wait, no, that's just priority. Oh, hey, that looks interesting. What are you doing? What do you do? Okay. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Okay. Wait. This might be a really bad idea. But I really want to do it. So what I'm gonna do. Aww. That's stupid. That's stupid. Update. When the virtual camera is not live, this is how often virtual camera will update. Set the tune to for most of the time never is fine unless the virtual camera is doing short. Okay. I feel like now I'm just curious. I'm just curious. Will it reset back to 60? Is that hard coded in? No. Interesting. So I feel like having 90 and a... As you can just tell, we're just messing with things. Oh no. Oh no. Go to 0. Okay. So, what I'm curious as to is can I... okay. Okay, so... I feel like that's smoother. I might just be being crazy. Okay. Okay, we broke something. You see, when we break something, this is when we unpress play and repress play. To figure out what it is that we managed to just dislocate. God, I love to just imagine programmers just looking at me like professional grade ones looking at me and just like, what are you doing? And I'm just like, tee hee hee. But I would like to wait time. Value. I'm assuming that all. Okay. Speed, heading.
No, down there.
Target position bit.
Up there somewhere?
Positional data.
I thought maybe they might be up there.
World forwards. How's like this?
So they're not up there?
What?
Oh.
What?
Thank you for looking up there.
What is there anything? World forward velocity. Because I want to make it so that way our camera just moves smoothly with our player. It's further out. I mean, maybe, I guess 90 isn't the best. So back to 60. Just, I want it to be further out, and like, I want the camera to do this, basically. So I wanted it to be, and then on like this instance, it would curve. So I guess it would be a collider box. And I'm dead. Alright. So I guess I would make an invisible collide box, which would turn the camera over a slow motion, or like doors. Because how does... How does Lego handle doors? Lorelai, we don't yell. No yelling. Go down and get him. Sorry. Honestly, the stream was hoping to end with me doing absolutely nothing, because I was like, ah, let's just look at stuff, and then I didn't do anything because I've just been too busy laughing about what random things do. I should probably see what messing with these things also does. Oh no. So, this is the player. How can I... What is grabbing the camera? It's the meaningful controller. So... Don't look at me like that. I know you would all want to do this too. Don't look at me like that. Listen. I know you'd want this. You know you'd want this. Oh! Yes! Woohoo! Jar Jar Binks on steroids, boys. Let's go. Woohoo! Yahoo! Oh, that's a death spike. Let's go! What is this weird, like, slippery feeling? Oh no. Oh no. I guess it's just momentum. It's like I have Space Engineers momentum right now. Like, if any of you ever played Space Engineers, and you're flying a ship just a little too fast, you have to turn around, and your ship doesn't just... Hold on. Let's see, do I have it? So, quick space engineers lesson for you all. Hold on. We're just going to move this over here just for a minute. And we're going to do a quick little space engineers lesson for everyone here. Okay? So you'll all be caught up to me. The expert. Alright, so. Oh god, I drew on my hand already. This is why. Alright, so, look here with me. Come over here. Let's see, can you see my hand? You can see my hand. Epic. I have nothing to erase with. I can erase with the cap. So let's just quickly erase this. Fine. It'll be fun. So, let's look at this for a minute, okay? I did it. So, space engineers, we have this little spaceship. Let's just draw it like that. It's like, that's our spaceship, okay? And it looks like a little bit like a rocket. We're fine. So when you have momentum builds up, and let's say that's 1 second of momentum, okay? 1 second. We have 2 seconds. So we travel here in 1 second. So then, let's just pretend that we're not actually moving just for the demonstration of this. We'd have 2 seconds of momentum, then that would be bigger flame, but then we'd have twice the distance. Minus, and then like, let's just go with minus 0.5. Because of graph. So we'd subtract those two. Because of gravity, we're not actually putting in the speed, we're just saying what it actually does. And then this would still be minus 1.5. Well, no, 0.5. 0.5. And so we're traveling a lot faster, okay? So now we're traveling at 2 seconds, but our speed forward is twice as much, because our speed backwards is only a little bit, because it's pulling us away. So when we do a quick U-turn, you know, so we try doing a quick U-turn from here, we now have, so we did like a quick U-turn when our ship, we tried stopping, but we're now going this way. Fun. We're like, bam, and here's our spaceship, and we're like, I want to go that way, I want to go that way, I forgot to turn off the stove, but, so we sure already have this little amount of gravity already pulling us forward at 0.5. And now we're working at 2 seconds of gravity. So even though we're doing this 1.5, we're doing this the 1 second of pull plus the half second of gravity would equal 1.5, but we're still traveling at 2 seconds in this direction, which means we would go to here. This is where our next rocket ship would be. So even though, and now we'd have a lot less gravity pulling us this way, like 0.5 seconds, and then we'd be going at 1 second of gravity, and then we'd start actually moving forwards again. That's how the thing works in Space Engineers. Bottom. But that's also, Space Engineers was made in, Alexa, where was Space Engineers built?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Alexa, what engine was Space Engineers built in?
Here's something I found on the web. According to Eden.com, Space Engineers utilizes a realistic volumetric-based physics engine. All objects can be assembled, disassembled, damaged and destroyed, offering players a unique creative engineering gameplay experience.
You suck. Where's that? Give it back. There we go. And that has been your physics lesson for the day. Thank you for coming to my class. Oh god, I have messed up my camera. Okay. Would you press the button? Darwin? Oh, hi, Darwin. I have no idea what you're holding on to, but I guess I don't care enough to figure it out. Woohoo! But the problem with this screen version is that you can't have co-op. And that's what I was getting to earlier. Is, like, with the sideways one you can, but it's not like we're each going to be controlling the mouse. That's not how this works. Oh no. So, in order to first do it, we first need to figure out how to fix the camera. And secondly, if we learn how to fix the camera, then we... Okay. I don't think they intended the players to get out to here. Because... Oh, no, okay, you can only walk up on surfaces that are forwards. Okay. Can I jump onto the outside islands? I don't think I can. But you know what? What might be able to? If we just... Okay, so we were doing 12. Let's just make it 600. Oh, what I think happened was that there's a maximum speed that you can have of 30 from the script. So I'd have to change the minimum and the maximum. Yeah, because now we're still traveling at ungodly speeds, but it's not any more ungodly than it was before. Dumbo hours. So what is this script? So we're looking in here for... So let's just find this. So we don't want the step audio clip. Fuck, get that out of here. Get that out of here. That's useless. The meaningful controller. And in the meaningful controller, we should be able... Okay, I guess this is the right one. Never mind. We should be able to find... We just searched through here for 12. Oh, God. Okay, so what are you? Controls. Input. Tank. What does this mean? Alright, movement. Move forward, speed 5. So 5 per second, acceleration at 20. To do add sensible range when animations are fixed. Max rotate speed, max accelerate, rotate acceleration, jump, gravity. Should I do it? Should I do it? I think I should do it. I'll fix it later. I'll do it later. Input type, tank direct. Okay, what is tank? What are you and why do you exist? What is the... Oh, you're so helpful, game. Why do you exist? Okay, hold on. Unity tank controls? Now, is it referring to, like, I'm afraid that I'm gonna find an actual tank and not, like, why did they name it tank? Is this just something I don't actually know about? Just because they have named it in a silly way, we're gonna increase the jump. Every time. Every time I find something I'm confused about. Oh, wait, no, here it is. Input type tank. Okay, maybe there's something in literal Unity that is called tank. Can I search through tank? No? Okay. Thank you. All meaningful. Tank? No? Okay. Well, thank you for being helpful, game. What is it referring? Alright, where's jump? Where's jump? I had jump somewhere. Every time that jump speed. We're just gonna increase it by double. We're just gonna double it. Every time I find something I'm confused by. Safe. Alright, max. Oh, here we go. Acceleration. Can we accelerate faster than what it wants me to? 30, 40. Not. So, let's make it 50. Let's make it 50. If we do this and this, I wish there was a way to highlight stuff. I mean, I guess I could just, like, these are the things I'm changing. I know it's technically not to do. Add sensible range when animations are fixed. What the ideal way is, but can I now jump faster than gravity? I think I can jump faster than. Alright, so now I know what I changed. Let's just see if this actually did anything to the game or not. Because I have this problem where, as much as I want to put it, as high as I want to put it in the game, to my player controller has a max move speed forward of 30. But I want 40. So let's try 50. Damn it, we missed it. We missed it somewhere. Unless we're just going to be accelerating faster, but even though we can only move at a max speed. In which case, well, we still lose our friction. Ooh. Now, I feel like we're moving equivalently as before. I feel like nothing has changed. I still love the friction. I still love how it has the Space Engineer's friction. I had to explain that to my friend a while ago. I just did it again. But she was so confused, like, but I'm turning my ship around and I'm going forwards. And I'm like, yes, but you have the momentum pulling you in that other direction. We eventually figured it out. It was great. Alright, so. Oh, wait, we didn't jump. Wait, yes, we did. We did jump. Jump speed. Oh, hey, we found it, boys. Let's go. So, 40. And then, theoretically, that if we add just the acceleration, so it says 40, but let's change it to 50. And then jump mid-air. So I'm assuming that they're double jump. Laughing. Kick right foot. Special animation. Where do we kick the... Oh god. Let's just... So where was it? I changed... Oh no. Jump. Let's change you to 40. And then... Dance? There's a dance command? I think that's when it's talking about the wind condition. I think that it's wind condition. You dance in the wind condition. I want to see dance at 5 times speed, so 10 times speed. Me? Yeah, I think we'll do some programming in Unity fun. Let's talk about that. Game. Wait, there's crawling? But we don't have a crouch function. Why would there be crawling? Run, 32. So what if sleeping? What do you mean sleeping? There's no special animation. Okay, maybe that's for when people make their own thing. Sneezing. Why is there a sneezing animation? How do I sneeze? Let's go with 60. I don't know why, but 60 is my go-to one. It's not so hard. It's not so high that it's unusable. Spider-Man. Why is Spider-Man flying? Why is Spider-Man an option? Specialization field. Left arm. No, right arm.
If you don't find it too much after this, you lose your iPad. I'm gonna be very mad. White dog, gray kitty, missing. Go find it.
Move. Float. Speed. Rotation speed. Direct speed.
She's going to find puppies.
Rotation. Wait, there's a there's a multiplayer thing. Vector 3? Why does it have a question mark? Why does it have a question mark? How would a question mark? What is... Oh, thank you!
That's the one you wanted?
Yeah?
I might want to clean the cat boxes. We're not a cat tomorrow.
What?
We're leaving town tomorrow.
Yeah. I'll do it in just a few minutes. I am right now trying to figure out how to make a single player game co-op in Unity. And it's a fun thing. Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It's quite interesting. I'm messing with a whole bunch of stuff that probably shouldn't be, and I'm very confused why Spider-Man is here.
You're confused why Spider-Man's here?
Yes! This is a, like, mini-game that... Not a mini-game. It's a Unity, like, program teaching game thing.
Okay.
And I'm going through the code, and there's a whole bunch of random unused things, like, literally just called Spider-Man is an example of one of the things that I'm like, why is Spider-Man here? Why is... Laying down, there are no crouch functions or lay down functions. I can't do that. Play special. Alright. String to hash. Straight to hash. Straight to cancel special. How do I enable the animation though? What do I... On special, how do I enable the special? I feel like I probably should do the tutorial. Because, owie, I can't open this. It's hard. You know what, stream? You deserve this. You're sticking through me right now. You all ready? Not sponsored by Monster. Oh, so good. You can smell the liquid sugar. Oh, it gives me tingles. Cheers, mates. You know what? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens with all the stuff we changed. Alright, hold on. Press the button. Oh, we can add enemies as well! Intriguing! Okay, why is our camera up here first off? Oh my god! I think I changed the settings. Oh no! Okay, so... No! Okay, yeah, we could not make that jump before. So that might mean... No, we can't make that jump yet. Oh. I just want to relax with this monster. Just sip. I wish I had like 50 viewers. That way I could just sit, take sip after sip, and just talk with each individual one. Just. Haven't had one of these in like a year. Ugh. Let me just tell you. Monsters are amazing. And I probably should have copied this script before I started messing with it. Because as much as I know what I messed with, I don't know what it was before I messed with it. So current move speed. So how do I enable multiplayer? That's... So how do we... So... Lego mod countdown to countdown. Change the mood. Microgame new protagonists. Okay. Build your own enemy. Ooh, interesting. That guy made like a turret thing. That's awesome. Use behavioral scripts. Customize the menus. Create and improve new models. Ooh. Santa. Multiplayer. Multi. Pull agents. Lego Unity micro game multiplayer. Hello, Code Shash.
Hi everyone, this is Kodasha. Today we are going to learn how to build a simple game using the Unity Lego micro game. I'm going to start Hold down Option in Command to pan.
But I don't think he's gonna go over the co-op feature that I was questioning earlier.
Selection is set. Right.
Oh, it's made for kids.
Snap this on top.
Okay. I can't even ask him. I couldn't even comment. It's like, do you know about the multiplayer functions?
Change.
I don't think he's gonna
Done.
touch on it or anything.
Build setting window.
But literally it's in the script. So I'm wondering, and it's in like the main controller. So that makes me wonder if it's like multiplayer, literally right there, right in front of us. I'm not sure how well you can all see that, but hold on, let me just... Oh wow, my quality is really bad. Holy shoot. Okay, I will try and change that in a little bit. I can't straight and change it mid-stream, but if my stream crashes, that's the first thing I'm going to change. But, oh, I'm going back. Where does speed, move data, rotation, speed? Is this referring to the second player? Or is it referring to the main player? Because this is turning, complete move. I want to know, because I want to make it co-op. And I know I'm doing this in the wrong order, but like, I thought I was going to have to program in every little thing, like copy the character controller, change over the controls to keyboard and mouse, and add another one where I'm going to copy the controller script for the Xbox controller, for instance, and just like Gang Beast has. And then bip bop boop, I'm going to have everything ready. But now, we're in here having Spider-Man. Hold on. Like, you don't believe me for just a second. Spider-Man. We have Spider-Man in here. Why? Who knows? That's all the Spider-Man. Current document. Open all documents. Search. Not skipping. Spider-Man. Why is there Spider-Man? Hold on. Back to speed, though. I was jokingly messing around with speed. Hold on. If you want to see why, let me just show you. So this is... Like, I've gotten to mess with some things. I messed with some stuff earlier. I completely reset it because I broke too much stuff. But... Look at... I absolutely love this. We have this... We're, like, running on ice because we're just so fast. What? Hold on. If I quickly run up top, speedrun style, you know? Look at it! And then hold on. See that gap right there? See that gap? Oh, no! Okay. Come on. And bam. But look, we have, like, ice under our feet. And I saw that a little bit when I first started playing, but I was like, no, that's just momentum. But... It's so strong! And even with... Oh yeah, it has this weird little, like, original World of Warcraft problem where people can just climb up sheer cliff faces. Which I was not expecting. But I am surprisingly fine with. Now then, back to trying to figure out where the multiplayer function is. Because as much as I want to mess with the camera, because if you've ever played a Lego game, you would know that the camera is at the side. It's like either behind you in some scene, it moves with you, it's on a rail, it's a railed camera. It's not perfectly railed, it has like some finagleability, like you move to the left, the camera moves to the left, you move to the right, it turns to the right. Not too complex. But how many studs do you have to touch to beat Lego? No. I want to be able to basically do that. And first, I know I keep getting sidetracked and messing with this because it's just so fun seeing someone run around and slide around. And then I got sidetracked trying to figure out how to make the jump better. And I don't know how to do that going. Oh no, they're still looking for the puzzle pieces. Ah, Monster. If any of you have had Monster before, I would highly recommend it. I mean, or don't. That way I can have more. Took a rotation, ignore. Rotate acceleration. Assume that X is not and is false. Otherwise, we need to guard against time.delta time being 0. Check if player is grounded. How does it check if player is jumping? Double jump audio clip, okay. Move.delta.y, jump xy. Yeah. Okay. Jump hash airborne equals true. Wait. What if I... I just want to know. Can I spam jump? Can I spam jump if I do this? Because that just says like the jump and the double jump that it tells me that I'm not airborne. So then it won't work. But... just saying. Damn it. If airborne, jumps in air, double jump acceleration clip. Else if airborne, air jumps in air is greater than 0. Math F approximates the vertical. So that's just saying I can't do that in midair. Weighted time plus equals time dot delta time. Okay, so this is just, yeah. Idle, stop moving. Case is moving. Else. Oh God. We're fine. Hi, Lorelai.
I take my baby to bed.
Okay, go take your baby to bed. It's in your room. Set speed, move delta to rotation, not speed. Lorelai, that's not your bed. That's the bookshelf.
No, I'm trying to get baby to bed.
The bed's in your room.
No, I was trying to get baby to my potty again.
But you have the baby bed's in your room. Have you seen it yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see some.
Huh?
I see some.
Okay. Currently transform to suspicion. Handle external motion. Does that mean if something walks into me? Was grounded, controller is grounded. Okay, so this is old ground rotation. Date. Airborne equals airtime. Coyote delay? What does that even mean? Update airborne. Public bool input enabled. Public special animation. It doesn't tell you how to play the special animation though. Summary. Do not call this directly. Call from special animator behavior to signal that a special animation is figured.
And then we have one more left. White dog. Go find the white dog. Okay?
If explode equals true, animated enabled equals false, controller enabled equals false. I think I know. I have an idea what this is saying. But I'm not fully sure. Aw, nope, I was wrong. Well, whenever I mess with something and I don't know what it does, then I'll probably just turn it back. That way I know I won't mess with anything further. Multiplayer. I'm tempted to, like, try contacting support and be like, hey, this is multiplayer, speed multiplayer. What does that mean? How does it find multiplayer? Turn to while complete. On controller collide hit. Avoid move in direction. Brake before target. What do you... When it says multiplayer, what does it mean? Is it referring to playing multiple animations now that I think about it? Calculate move delta. Prevent overshot by limiting speed. Assume the direction is not 0 as it will cause time will cause issues when time delta is 0. Only set target rotation speed if still possible to brake. Adjust rotation speed based on rotation speed. Prevent overshot by limiting rotation speed. Cancel speed. Direction is not a 0. Is there a way to co-op it? Gameplay? Unity Lego gameplay. Okay, you're useless. Goodbye. What about you? Ground. If other than a game player, win equals false. Ground hazard. Oh, okay. Got it. Okay, you're useless. A live action. Menu, navigation, utilization. Who was in chat earlier, though? Is there a way I can find out? Let's just... Oh well. Wait, I have an idea! I probably could have totally been like, who was... Well, no. If I go to edit video... Or analytics, actually, probably is the correct place to go. As much as I actually want to play Undertale, I think I'm gonna... who would the second viewer? Is there a way to tell who the person is? Stream health. Not an idea. Oh well. I don't think the getting started section... Don't save. Don't save any of what I've done. You know what? We'll call it here for now. I need to go get myself something cold to drink because I am getting too hot. And then I will probably stream some more of that game I played earlier. That was really fun and very terrifying. And... oh, maker game. Oh, let's just click start. Yeah, okay. It literally just telling me like basic stuff. Got it. Wait, how did I... what the heck? When you're done... I am so slow! Oh, it's because I was turning. I have no idea what that was. For some reason, it slowed me down. I don't know why. I will have to figure out why at some point, though. But yeah, yada yada yada, makes sense. This is already just telling me stuff that I'm already aware of. That's the hierarchy. I can click on things and mess with them. There, you can increase my speed to 13. That's why I'm so slow. And then you can go to file, save as. Or you can just press Control S. And then and then I can click play again and it'll go faster. Yeah, I already know this. And now, hey, look, you're faster, boy. I already know this. And this is what I mean. Tutorials. They're helpful if you know nothing. Yeah, now I'm... that's why I felt so slow. But you did do it on a platform. Whatever. I'm wish you all the best of luck. Thank you all for stopping by. I am going to probably stream some Oxenfree in a little bit after I get myself an icy cold beverage. Probably going to be a iced tea. But other than that, I wish you all luck. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. And remember, this teddy bear. Why do I always say that? What is the